Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video of Gmail series, I'm gonna show you that how to test your email before sending. As you know, there are some tabs in your Gmail like spam, promotion, inbox, and social. So you must test your email before sending, that in which section your email is gonna land. So it's very important for email marketing and to boost your business sale and to promote your business through email marketing. So let's start our video tutorial. Okay, first of all, this is my Gmail. So you'll have to open a website. I will drop the link in the description box. Okay, just open this website. Here you will have an option to test your Gmail. Okay, just here product, and now you can see that inbox, spam, and or promotion. So you'll have to click here. And now it's here. You'll have to copy all these emails to check your email, where your email is gonna be landed. So you'll have to copy this. Okay, copy all emails and now go to Gmail. I'm using Gmail. If you are using some email marketing like MailChimp or some other marketing software, then you'll have to send mail from those softwares. So I will click compose and I will paste all emails here. Okay, so it's here, and now I will send mail to them. Email marketing. Okay, here I'm gonna send a message to these emails. The email I wanna test that where it is gonna be landed. So I will just write here, hello, this is W3 Academy. Okay, just for illustration purpose. So you'll have to send this email to all of them. Okay, it's done. Now you'll have to open the website, and here you can just write your emails to check. Okay, now you can see that here are my emails. Okay, it is in primary inbox. It has landed in primary inbox and all of them, and here you can see that it has landed in spam. It has landed in spam. Okay, a spam, primary inbox. Okay, so that's how you can test your email before sending, that in which section or in which tab of the Gmail your email is gonna be landed. So that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.